In this segment, we're going to show you how to set up your personal file for Amateur Contact Log. These are the three standing programs that we use, and each one requires a certain modification if you are going to use W1OP's equipment under your own call. The first thing we do is we do go to Amateur Contact Log. That is set up. This is the W1OP data file. We want to leave this. To leave this, we will go to File. We will go to New. We have two choices here. Start a new log file with the current database file name. No. Start a new log file with a new database file or new file location. Yes, this is going to be your account. So we select this, bang, and then it asks us where to put this new file. Well, you're not going to go into the W1OP current. You're going to go into Others Current WTX log files, and you will press that. We are now completely open. We are going to identify the call, N3FJP log file 2020. We are then going to save it. This brings up a complete new data file with your call on it. That is basically all you have to do to get the log set up for your call. And if you're going to do something, AA1, AA, tab, log, bang, you have the first, and when we go to save that, when you file exit, and you wonder where your file is, your file comes right back here. We go back to AC log. We go to Others Current. We go to N3FJP, and you can always pull back your log. So that will give you a sort of permanent log on the main computer at W1OP. At some point, you are going to need to download your log. To do that, we go to File, Export ADIF. We like to use from record to record. It asks us what record selection we want. In this case, we only have one, so 1 to 1 is good. We continue. We go back up into the Others Current log files. We find that we are missing a folder, so we put a new folder in. We are going to call this folder NE1Y. We're going to click on that, and this log, we always label it as best we can, NE1Y log update, and today's date is 10/3/20, and we will save it. It'll ask us to do all these things. We don't have to do anything here, and we continue. It will say that the file was saved to this directory, and that's fine. To just see where we are, we'll go back to the directory, Others Current. Now we have two things here. We have the MDB file. The MDB file is the Microsoft database file, which ACL generates. That should be up in our file. So that for N3FJP, we have the database file that operates the log, and we have the transmittal file, which is the ADI file. So we have a Microsoft database file here and an ADI file. The ADI file is the file that you are going to use to upgrade your account with LOTW or any other place, and that would be the ADI file. So you would come into your favorite email, and you will set up a new message basically to yourself, and go to browse this computer, others current, NE1Y, the ADI file, open. It is now there. You'd say LOTW update 310, and you would send it, and off it goes. That means now you're completely up to date in your own files as opposed to the files of W1OP.